With the largest F-15E inventory in the Air Force, the 4th Fighter Wing has flown more than 10,000 hours this year, putting them ahead of standards by 4%.
It's pretty tough to do, especially in this day and age, over the last several years, because we just don't have the funding available and the manning available to accomplish a lot of what we were able to do in previous years. So being able to stay ahead and being able to push further ahead of our expected flying hour program is pretty rare and pretty difficult.
But getting so many fighter jets in the air day in and day out takes one seriously equipped team. And that's where the 4th Fighter Wing's maintenance squadrons come in.
Pretty much for the last 6 to 8 months, we've been meeting almost all of the metrics for flying, and then meeting the flying hour program across the board, and we're well ahead of our annual flying hour program.
The guys down on the line are the ones that make that happen. I mean, if we don't have a jet to go fly, or if the systems aren't functioning, then we don't get good training, and ultimately we end up falling short of our training requirements and our proficiency when it comes to deploying and executing a combat sortie.
Since maintenance is kicking some serious jet fixing butts, they're ahead in nearly every ACC standard.
The operators, the operations group, the flying squadrons, working closely with the needs and the requirements of the maintainers, both of us working together makes it a piece of cake to put that schedule together to get on time, line to ahead, flying more hours than expected, outperforming nearly every other wing in the Air Force.
So as you can see, this glorious success story can't be attributed to just one group of airmen. It's the total force of every individual that make it happen, setting the bar of excellence higher and higher every day. Airman First Class Samantha Konieczny, Seymour Johnson Air Force Base, North Carolina.